Good morning, student. Today's our topic is standard form of a rational number. Okay, means in your previous class you have to learn about the rational number, their properties, and the positive and negative rational number. Now, in this class we have to learn about the standard form of a rational number. But first we have to revise this previous. What is the rational number? Rational number means the numbers can be written in the form of p upon q, and where p and q are the integers and q does not equal to the 0, then it is called as a rational number. Okay? Then now standard form of a rational number. What is the standard form? Means how to identify the given number is in a standard form or not. Okay? Then first we see here a rational number is said to be in the standard form. Okay? When? If there are the two main points are there. If it is in the lowest term. All of you know that lowest term in previous class you have to learn about that lowest term. What is meant by the lowest term? The rational number is in a lowest term if they are common factor only 1. Okay? Then if it is in a lowest term and second one is its denominator is positive. Okay? Means the lowest term is the, for example, here 21 upon 16. 21 upon 16. First we have to check here 21 upon 16 is in a lowest term. It is in a lowest term or not? Okay. Then see here 21 upon 16. Yes, it is in a lowest term because their common factor is what? 1. Common factor 1 means no one other number, only 1. Only 1 means the only 1. Okay, you have only their common factor only 1. Then you have to say that the 21 upon 60 it is in a lowest term. Okay, again, second point is what? Its denominator is positive. See here, their denominator is positive. Yes, 16 has a positive number. Then 21 upon 60 it is called as what? It is the standard form. Standard form. Okay. Then another one example is a minus 7 upon 9. See here, minus 7 upon 9. Again, it is the lowest term. Their common factor is 1. And their denominator also the positive. Then it's minus 7 upon 9. It is called as a what? It is in a standard form. Okay. This steps you have to identify the standard form. But suppose when you are given this types of number and we have to convert into the standard form. Here 4 upon minus 5. 4 upon minus 5 is in a standard form? No. Because of why? Why 4 upon minus 5 is not in the standard form? Because their denominator is in it is a negative. So 4 upon minus 5 is not in a standard form. Then how to convert into the standard form? This 4 upon minus 5, how to convert into the standard form? See here, we have to minus 5 is we have to make a positive number. Then you have to multiply by minus 5 is multiplied by minus 1. Minus 5 is multiplied by minus 1. We have to multiply minus 5, multiply minus 1. They also multiply by 4, multiply minus 1. Okay. Then 4 multiplied by minus 1 is a minus 4. And minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 is what? 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is plus. 5 multiplied by 1 is a 5. Then minus 4 upon 5 is in a standard form now. Okay. You have to what? Minus 4 upon 5 is standard form. Okay. Then this types of we have to convert. Now, one of the another example is 12 upon 60. 12 upon 60. That 12 upon 60 it is not in a standard form, but we have to convert. 12 upon 60, when you have to convert into the standard form, then you have to use the SCF. Okay, which the common divisor is divisible by 12 and 60. Which is the common number is divisible by 12 and 60. It is what? What is the SCF of that number? SCF is what? 4. Because 4 is divisible by 12 and 4 is divisible by also the 60. Okay. Then 12 divided by 4 and 60 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is what? 3 and 16 divided by 4 is what? 4. Then 3 upon 4 is in the standard form. Okay. This type of we have to convert into the standard form. This is called as a standard form. Means what you have to remember these 2 points here. If it is in the lowest term and its denominator is a positive. Okay. Now next topic is the absolute value of rational number. What is the absolute value? See the absolute value means the absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value without taking into consideration its sign. And absolute value is denoted by using the symbol. Their symbol is, this is the symbol of the absolute. Okay, means the here properly P of absolute value of the P upon Q is the what? P upon Q. When you are write the absolute value, don't use their symbol. Okay, P absolute value of the P upon Q, positive rational number is the P upon Q. Okay, another one is the absolute value of the minus P upon Q is the what? Negative rational number is the absolute value is also the positive. Okay, okay. Then for example, here by using example, absolute value of the 8 upon 11. Absolute value of 8 upon 11 is what? 8 upon 11. Understand? Then absolute value of the 18 upon minus 25. Okay, 18 upon minus 25 is a negative rational number. Then 18 upon minus 25, what is the absolute value of the 18 upon minus 25? Is the 18 upon 25. Okay, this types of value. So simple topic you want to given that this is the absolute value. Means the positive rational number is the absolute value is positive. Negative rational number is also the absolute value is also the positive. Okay. Equivalent rational number. Okay, means the how to identify that the given rational number is in equivalent or not. Two rational numbers P upon Q, for example, P upon Q and R upon S is said to be equivalent when if and only if P multiplied by S is equal to R multiplied by Q. Means we have to multiply these two fraction words given P upon Q and R upon S. We are given that these two rational numbers. Okay, we have to identify it is equivalent or not. Then cross multiply. We have to cross multiply. How to multiply? P multiplied by S is equal to R multiplied by Q. When you want to get the LHS is equal to RHS, then you have to say that the P upon Q and R upon S are is in a equivalent. Okay, this types of you have to show. Then different examples we have to given depend on their equivalent. Okay, you see here this different example we have given. Express 3 upon 4 as an equivalent rational number with numerator minus 50. This is what how to solve this question. We have to given the one of the equivalent rational number we have to given 3 upon 4. We have to make this with numerator is what? Minus 50. Then how to form here minus 50? We have to form a minus 50. We have to given the which rational number 3 upon 4 is the rational number. Then 3 multiplied by which number you get the answer is a minus 50. Then 3 multiplied by minus 5 and we have to 3 multiplied by minus 5. Then also the multiply by 4. Minus 5 is multiplied by 4. Then 4 multiplied by also the minus 5. Then 3 5 is minus 50 and 5 4 is minus 20. You get the answer. Numerator is minus 50. Okay. This most of the question you have to given also that the denominator also you have to given the values of the denominator. Okay. Then this type you have to solve. Now next topic is a comparison of a rational number. Okay. Means the how to compare the rational number. It is a less than, greater than, arranging ascending order, descending order. We have to use it. Means all of you know that there are comparison of a fraction. All of you know that means you have to know about the comparison of a fraction. This comparison of fraction, this method you have to use here. Same method you have to use here, comparison of a rational number. Okay. These some points we have to firstly discuss here. See here, first point we have to given the means how to compare the two rational numbers. Okay. Suppose first express each of the rational number with positive denominator. Means the first when you have to given that the any rational number is in a negative, then we have to convert into the positive. We have to making a positive denominator. Okay, this is the first point. It is important. This is the first point. Okay, what is that? Express each of the rational number with positive denominator. What do you want? Positive denominator. Okay, means when you have to compare this rational number, then you have to easily compare. Second point is if denominator are equal, compare the numerator. Suppose you have given that the same denominator rational number, then you have to compare directly according to the numerator. according to the numerator you have to compare less than or greater than. Okay, this is the second. Now third point is the what? If denominator are unequal, denominator, suppose we have to given that the different denominator rational number, they convert them to equivalent rational number. Means we have to convert into the this is in a equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number means we have to make a same denominator. We have to make a same denominator in this third one. Okay, means what 3 points we have to important in the comparison of rational number is the express each of the rational number with positive denominator. You want positive denominator. Suppose you are to given that the same denominator rational number, then you have to compare numerator. If you are to given that the different denominator rational number, then you have to make a equivalent rational number. Okay, by using the LCM. Okay, this type of we have to compare. Now, by using example, I will explain in detail. First example we are to given, the simple example we are to given, minus 9 upon 30, minus 4 upon 30. How to compare? Which? First you have to see here, their positive denominator. Then again, same denominator. Then minus 9 upon 30, minus 1 upon 30. See, minus 9. Then we compare numerator direct. Second point we have to compare numerator direct. Because of the denominator are same. Then minus 9 and minus 2. If minus 9 is greater or less, minus 9 is less than minus 1. Minus 9 is less than minus 1. Because of what? In a negative sign, there is a big numbers is there less than. Then minus 9 is less than minus 1. That's why minus, therefore the minus 9 upon 30 is what? Less than minus 1 upon 30. This is the simple answer. Okay? Now, second, minus 7 upon 12, minus 5 upon 8. Different denominator rational number. Okay? Then you have to use here the LCM. Firstly, you have to see their denominator is positive or negative. This is the positive denominator. Okay? Now, LCM of the 12 and 8 is about 24. Then, first, take it. Minus 7 upon 12. 12 multiplied by 2. Also minus 7 multiplied by 2. Then minus 14 upon 24. Another one is minus 5 upon 8. Then 8, how many is that? 3 is that. Then minus 50, minus 5 multiplied by 3 is that minus 50 and 8, 3 is that 24. Now you got the same denominator, you have to get equivalent, same denominator, rational number. Now you have to compute. Minus 14 upon 24 and 15 upon 20. Okay? Then, sorry, minus 15 upon 20. This is the minus 15 upon 24. Then minus 14 upon 24 and minus 15 upon 24. Which is that? If the minus 14 upon 24 is greater than minus 15 upon 24. Means the what? Therefore the minus 7 upon 12 is greater than minus 5 upon 8. This types how we have to compare. Okay? This is called as a comparison. This is the comparison of a rational number. Again, you have to given that there ascending and descending order. How to solve the ascending and descending order? You have to firstly, when you are to given the same denominator rational number, you have to, according to their order, you have to arrange. And when you are to given the different denominator rational number, then first you have to find there by using this method LCM, and you have to arrange properly. Okay?